24. Nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor. Open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Midway until 7:15 p.m. At 5:52 p.m., squally showers capable of producing water spouts were located along a line extending from 8 nautical miles southeast of Racine to 12 nautical miles east of Winthrop Harbor to 19 nautical miles east of Waukegan Harbor, moving south at 15 to 20 knots. Hazard, water spouts and abrupt wind shifts with gusts 34 knots or greater possible.
Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves.
Can create locally
Showers will remain over mainly open waters.
Could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Showers will remain over mainly open waters. At 5